Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and remove two 5mm screws and 11 7mm screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Lift the battery off its post to remove. Flip the device back over and open it up. The keyboard is being held in by small spring-loaded tabs. Gently insert the opener pick and run along the edges to depress these tabs and pop the keyboard free. Lay the keyboard down, peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the keyboard cable from the motherboard. Plug the keyboard cable back into the motherboard. Slide the keyboard back in and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the battery back onto its posts. And plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the two 5mm screws and 11 7mm screws back into the bottom cover.